guys, for this video, we will draw and color the character Angry Birds. Angry Birds is a popular mobile game franchise developed by the Finnish company Rovio Entertainment. The original game, released in December 2009, involves players using a slingshot to launch birds at structures inhabited by green pigs who have stolen the birds' eggs. Each bird has unique abilities that players must use strategically to complete levels and defeat the pigs. The franchise also expanded into other media, including animated TV series, merchandise, and to feature films The Angry Birds Movie 2016 and The Angry Birds Movie 2019.